This is Miss Toll in the library, and I'm going to show you how to use one of our library databases, Culturegrams. So we're going to start on our library website, which you'll see here. You can get there from the high school website, the middle school website, or by Googling Lamoille Library. So today we're going to go to our database page. This is where you can find all of our databases in one place. Now we're going to scroll past all of our great Gale database and go to ProQuest Culturegrams. Now our login is Lamoille, and then you can probably find out the password from what I just typed. But if you can't, you can come to the library or refer to our database password sheet to find that password. If you go to school here, you probably can figure out Lamoille and then the password. So here is Culturegrams. We've got the World Edition, which gives us cultural information about countries around the world. We've got the Kids Eye View, which is daily life in countries around the world at an elementary school level. Then we have the States Edition, which is United States information, and provinces for the Canadian provinces. So today we're going to go to World Edition, and I'm going to check out New Zealand. On the New Zealand main page, we have a Did You Know? An infographic that tells us the average person information in New Zealand. We have the anthem, the flag, and a bunch of great country data. We also have the ability to cite ourselves, our information, through the bottom of the page, copy and paste it right into your document. On the left side here, we have a bunch of different categories. So if you're looking for what greetings a person in New Zealand would use, what they would eat, what they do for fun, what they celebrate, how their government runs, any of this information can be found on the left menu. On the right menu, we have a place to print or email, the photo gallery filled with wonderful photos of New Zealand. We also have recipes, famous people, interviews, and a graphs and table option. So in Culturegrams, you can actually use a generator here to graph and compare different countries, or graph different things within that country. So I highly recommend this if you need graphs for your project. There's also world time, distance calculator, and a currency converter, and teachers, a teaching activity and curriculum standards area. You can also link your Google account when you log into Culturegrams, and this will allow you to save things directly to your Google Drive so that when you're researching something in particular, you can save it all in one place. If you're looking for photos, slideshows, videos, interviews, famous people, recipes, flags, and graphs, these can all be found at the top menu. And if you click on one of these, it takes you to a menu of countries. So if I wanted to find a video from Belgium, I could do that. So this is awesome. It gives some more information in video format. Same with the interviews, another great resource. We hope you'll use this resource when you are studying different countries and cultures. If you need any help, please contact Miss Toll in the library and she will help you out. And yeah, any questions, you can email me. You can let us know. We're here to help. And that's our interviews page. Lots of great information in Culturegrams. We hope you use it. It's chock full of great resources. Have a great day.